Dear chemistry aspirants, right now I have the unit 11 of chemistry, and alcohols, phenols, and ethers are the chapter are the topics for the chapter and unit 11. Here the alcohol, phenols, and ethers are the basic compounds for the formation of detergents, antiseptics, and fragrances respectively. So you will see here what is the use of alcohols and phenols and ethers. You have learned the substitution of one or more hydrogen atoms from hydrocarbon by another atom or a group of atoms result in the formation of an entirely new compound having altogether different properties and applications. Alcohols and phenols are formed when a hydrogen atom in a hydrocarbon, aliphatic and aromatic respectively, is replaced by OH group. So OH group, these classes of compounds find wide applications in industry as well as in day-to-day life. For instance, have you ever noticed the ordinary spirit used for polishing wooden furniture is chiefly a compound containing hydroxyl group ethanol? The sugar we eat, the cotton used for fabrics, the paper we use for writing are all made up of compounds containing OH groups. Just think of life without paper: no notebooks, books, newspapers, currency notes, checks, certificates, etc. The magazine carrying beautiful photographs and interesting stories would disappear from our life. It would have been really a different world. An alcohol contains one or more hydroxyl OH. Hydroxyl means OH groups directly attached to carbon atoms of an aliphatic system, CH3OH, while a phenol contains OH groups directly attached to carbon atoms of an aromatic system, C6H5OH. The substitution of a hydrogen atom in a hydrocarbon by an alkoxy or rhyloxy group. R-deso oblique AR-deso wheels and other classes. Another class of compounds known as ethers, for example CH3 or CH3 dimethyl ether. Dimethyl ether. You may also visualize ethers as compounds formed by substituting the hydrogen atom of hydroxyl group of an alcohol or phenol by an alkyl or aryl group. In this unit, we shall discuss the chemistry of three classes of compounds, namely alcohols, phenols, and ethers. The classification of compounds makes their study systematic and hence simpler. Therefore, let us first learn how are alcohols, phenols, and ethers classified. Alcohols: mono, di, tri, or polyhydric alcohols and phenols may be classified as mono, di, and tri, or hence simpler. Therefore, let us first learn how are alcohols, phenols, and ethers classified. Alcohols and phenols may be classified as mono, di, and tri, or polyhydric compounds depending on whether they contains 1, 2, 3 or more hydroxyl groups respectively in their structures as given below: monohydric C2H5OH, dihydric CH2OH, trihydric CH2OH, and CH2OH and CHOH. Monohydric alcohols may be further classified according to the hybridization of the carbon atoms to which the hydroxyl group is attached. Compounds containing